Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So I want to give a shout out to Erica Accessories for showing me this method. So first you want to go to Google and you want to type in bitcartel.com. And you can also do this on your phone. There's an app called BitCartel, so you can download that, and it's just the same exact process. So what you want to do is go ahead and sign up and type in your name, your email, and what you want your shop to be. You don't type anything in URL. And after you finish, this is what will pop up. And then you want to go ahead and start adding your first product. And this isn't just for like lip gloss, it can be for anything, by the way. So you just want to choose a photo of your product, sorry. And then you want to go ahead and name it. So a lot of people said I should start naming my glosses, so I gave a few of them some names, but this is just for demonstration purposes. This isn't my exact website. I'm going to show that at the end. So you can put in your price, and then you can add your own description. So you don't have to say much. You can just say whatever you want to say. And then you want to go ahead and add a category. So let's say I'm selling some clear glosses with glitter, and then I'm going to sell some tinted glosses. So I'm going to make a couple of different categories. Or if you're selling like a lipstick or a highlighter or whatever, you want to make all your different categories. And then you just want to choose one that you just want to choose one because you're going to put one in one category, not all three. Then you want to add your shipping. So however much you want shipping to be, you can add it there. So I added $3 for shipping. Then I'm going to add for what country. So I can do Afghanistan or whatever I want, but I'm just going to do United States. Now you don't want to hit the options button. That's what I did by accident. So just don't even click that, and then you won't have that problem. So I just deleted that. And then after you finish everything, you just want to go ahead and hit save. And then you can keep adding as many products as you like. And then you can change the status as an active, coming soon, sold out, whatever. And then it'll tell you that you have saved it. So now you just want to go back. And then you could pick a theme. So there's a lot of different things that you can do here. So you can change the color of pretty much everything. So you can change the text color, you can change the price color, you can change the link color, you can change every single color. You can even change the background color. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. And then they also have templates if you don't feel like doing custom colors. Also, you can change the text font. There's like 20 different options. Then you can also change like the options bar to like the other side, the right side. You can change how many products you want on one page. So it didn't make a difference because I only added one product. Then you can add your Facebook URL, your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So I just added my URL, which is Instagram.com/Marissa Cosmetics. A lot of you already follow me on my Instagram. If you haven't, go ahead and follow me at Marissa Cosmetics. This is where I show all the lip glosses that I have, all the different colors. A lot of times I make colors and I post them immediately on Instagram. I don't always, it might take me a couple of days to actually edit the video, but Instagram always sees like the new colors I make first. So yeah. So I'm going to get back to that page in a minute. But yeah. So once I finish, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then I'm going to exit it. Then you want to go down, and then you can choose how you want to get paid. You can get paid through PayPal or the other option. And then you can look at your plan. So right now I'm on the gold plan. That's when you can have 5 products. That's it. No other pictures or anything like that. So you really don't want to go with this plan. What you want to do is hit the platinum plan, and that's when you pay $10 a month. And well, it's actually $9.99 a month, but it's about $10 anyway. But yeah, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to show you all the details. So with 5 products, it's the free plan. That's where you can have 1 picture per product, and that's really pretty much it. And then with the $10 a month, you can have 25 products, and you can do a lot more, as you can see. So that is my plan. I have the 25 products, and I only have maybe 15. So it's a good plan for me, depending on how many different colors you have or what product you want to sell. Also, they have 100 products, and that's more a month. So yeah, you can even do that plan. So it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is you can have more products, really. And then they have the 300 products, which is a lot more. So yeah, so this could be for if you want to sell cosmetics or want to sell book bags, hair, whatever you want to sell. It doesn't matter. But yeah, so you're going to have to make a monthly payment. So yeah. Because the 5 products for free, I would not go with that, because you really can't do much with it. So I would not advise the 5 product plan, which is the gold plan. So now I'm just gonna, if you decide you don't want your website anymore, that you're not gonna pay, you can't afford it or whatever, you can go ahead and just close it, and they won't charge you or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit close. Again, this was just for demonstration purposes only. So I'm going to set my password, and then I'm going to close it. And now I'm going to show you guys Marissa Cosmetics. This is my real website that I sell lip glosses on. I know everybody kept saying that I should make a website, and then I did a poll on Instagram the other day, and I had over 17 people say yes, so I decided to make one. So this is what my website looks like. It says Marissa Cosmetics. And then when you first go to the page, you will see all my lip glosses. And it'll be like a slideshow. Like if you had the gold plan, you couldn't do a slideshow. Just letting you know. So the platinum package, you can do this. So you can just write through all my different color glosses and stuff like that. And then you can keep scrolling down, and you will see all of my glosses. So I have the collection, which is every single color, including rainbow, which is going to be $40. And then you have your own description, stuff like that. So yeah, each color on my website is going to be $3. Tinted colors are going to be $3.75. They do not have as much glitter as the clear ones. So if you really just want a glitter lip gloss, that just shows a lot of glitter, I would recommend the clear instead of the tinted. Tinted is a lot less glitter, and it's mainly just the tinted color that shows. So yeah, again, this is the collection. This is $40. But yeah, and then I have other products as well. So now I'm going to go to my glosses. Glosses, again, they're just clear lip glosses with glitter. And the rainbows are going to be $6 because there's 4 colors in one. So I'm going to keep scrolling down, and as you can see, all these are $3. So yeah, these are all the colors that I have right now on my website. So I make different colors maybe, I don't know, once every 2 weeks. So check back on my page to see if I have any new colors. And then I have my tinted colors. These are the 4 tinted colors that are for sale right now. And I do have pictures of what they look like. Either I have a swatch or I might have it on my lips. It depends what color it is. But all of these do have, I do have pictures of all of these and what they look like. So here's a swatch of one. So that is an example of what it would look like. And then let's say I wanted to buy it, so I can add it to my cart. So I have 2 tinted colors. That would be $7.50. Or you can get a clear lip gloss that's only $3. And then you want to go and type in your name, your email. And then I do have a discount code. My discount code is MARI, M-A-R-I, subs. And all of this is all caps. And that is 10% off your entire order. So as you can see, I applied it and it gave me 10% off. So right now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to delete these from my cart and show you how much one would be. So this is a clear gloss that's only $3. Again, type in your name, your email, and then the discount code has already been applied because I already applied it. But again, my discount code is MARI subs, all caps, MARI SUBS, MARI subs. Apply that, that'd be 10% off, so that'd be $270. And then after you put your name and email, you hit next and then it'll show you how much shipping is, stuff like that. So guys, that is basically my website. And then I have different pages. I have my Instagram, frequently asked questions like what size are my tubes, are they scented, how long do they last, and then I have a little bit about me page, and then a contact page where you can type your name and email and what's the subject of what you're messaging me about, and then you can type in your concerns, your questions, and special orders, things like that. So yeah guys, this is my website. I was so excited when I made my website. I made my website Thursday night, and every day I've been adding new things to it. Well, it's only been 2 more days, but yeah, I know you guys have been waiting for another video. This video was highly requested because everybody wants a web page, for real. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, as soon as you're finished watching this video, go ahead and hit the link in the description to check out my website for yourself. Buy you some lip glosses. Again, I do have a discount code for 10% off your entire order, which is MARI subs, all caps. I will leave that in the description as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.